Oh, how excited are we, Keith, for this next cruise? This is the first, I think, isn't it?
Well, it's the first in a long time that we've featured Regent Seven Seas. It's been a while, long overdue, so it's good to actually get them in.
6-star luxury. Everything is included. When I say everything, everything, even your shore excursions. We all want to book this one, so let's give you a little taster of life with Regent Seven Seas.
Yeah, I mean, an incredible 6-star product. The really thing about this is truly all-inclusive. We talk about all-inclusive packages which don't involve things like shore excursions. They don't involve things like alternative dining. This deal does. So you're going on the Seven Seas Navigator. Beautiful, beautiful ship. A wonderful chance for you to go and explore a very small personal ship, so she can get into other ports that you wouldn't normally go into. You've got a very high ratio of crew versus guests, incredibly high, and you've got loads of little extras that you wouldn't get. For instance, little things like that I think are really important, like you don't get a lot of announcements made over the PA system that interrupt you during the day. You're never going to get sold anything on board. You're never going to get people doing any kind of forward selling to you. You never have to sign a cheque when you ask for a drink or anything like that, or go for an ice cream. It's all included before. Really good award-winning staff, highly trained. There's even a penthouse offer on this where you get a butler thrown in if you decide to book the penthouse, which is incredible. And again, it's a very refined, elegant environment, and also the alternative dining. I think there's three chances for you to dine in the alternative dining venues as well.
All included.
They're all included. So you've got things like Prime 7, which is one of their award-winning restaurants. Absolutely incredible. So their big thing is leave the wallet at home. That's one of the big taglines. And all those shore excursions.
Up to 36
different shore excursions, all included in the price. So when you work all that out, Sean...
Well, I remember seeing a presentation with Regent a couple of years ago, and they used a game board, and they actually showed what you'd spend if you were to book an alternative cruise line and you were to book all of the excursions and then have all of your drinks and then things like drinks from the minibar. You'd actually end up paying so much more. It was a brilliant presentation, but it really clarified what outstanding value Regent Seven Seas are. And I know one of our, I hope he doesn't mind me saying, but one of our great guests here, Derek Belcher, who brings us Carshare, he's cruised a couple of times with Regent, and so it's outstanding. Absolutely.
They're fantastic. And you know, even the baseline staterooms all have walk-in wardrobes.
Really?
Which I think pretty much tells you something as well. Marble bathrooms. It's absolutely stunning. These gorgeous king-size beds. That's just standard, you know.
I tell you, I would love to book this one. Wait, what's the date?
Have you just said you've run out of holiday?
No, it starts in May.
Oh, right. Okay.
Starts in...
Now it's a different story.
Oh, no, this is March, isn't it? Yeah, I can't go. Anyway, but maybe later in the year. If a deal like this comes up later in the year.
I'm sure we can work it out for you, sure.
So anyway, let's have a look. So, starts off in Miami, doesn't it?
It does, and you've got a chance here to stay for one night in a hotel. Chance for you to go and visit Miami South Beach, that wonderful Art Deco waterfront there, the wonderful, beautifully restored buildings, the funky shops, the boutiques, the elegant restaurants, and these fabulous people walking past. You know, there's a wonderful quote I saw where, you know, God took all the eccentrics and shook them out into California, and particularly Miami. It's full of eccentrics. It's incredible. It's a wonderful place to walk around. Key Biscayne is great fun. You can go and do a cruise up Millionaires Row, or you can head off into the Everglades on the wonderful airboats and see the alligators. Stunning. So
you've got to say that night in Miami, in that gorgeous hotel, and then our cruise begins.
Yeah, wonderful chance then. 11 nights on board, and the first stop is in the Bahamas, Nassau, situated 75 miles off the coast of Florida. You know, there's more than 700 islands. Only 20 of them are inhabited. This is the main one, Nassau. You've got so much to see and do here. That's Paradise Island, which is part of it, with a huge casino, Atlantis Casino and Resort on there.
And Keith, we can choose free excursions in all of the stops, is that right?
That's right, yeah. So you just go through a list and work out which ones you want to do and have a go. And again, you can go and visit Fort Charlotte here with the moat and the drawbridge and the dungeons and wonderful views overlooking the whole of the harbour. There's Odastra Gardens where you can see the iguanas, the monkeys and the jaguars, and the flamingos parading. It's a stunning place, and beaches. It's beautiful, beautiful beaches and gorgeous water, which is like having a bath. Oh. It's amazing.
Well, a relaxing day at sea, so just enjoy that 6-star food and service and everything else. And we're making our way over to Puerto Rico, aren't we?
Yeah, San Juan. This is the amazing place. The oldest city under the American flag. vibrates to a lively salsa beat, and there's a great zest in the air here. It's a really natural setting as well. It's got verdant peaks, tropical rainforest, gleaming white sand beaches, a good mix of cultures as well, and it's America's only Commonwealth. And you've got Old San Juan you can walk around, which is a nearly 500-year-old neighbourhood. You've also got the wonderful Fort San Cristobal, which you're seeing here, which is well worth a look. And you've got, of course, the home of Bacardi as well. So a great chance to see the distillery and see how much rum they make. I know you've got a big smile on your face there, Sean. I know you're a cheeky Bacardi fan.
I do like Bacardi.
And the Old Yankee National Rainforest as well. So much to see and do.
And where next then, Keith?
Next, we're going to Gustavia, which is in St Bart's, or St Bartholomew's. Everyone shortens it for St Bart's. This is good, actually. This isn't one that regularly gets put on itineraries. It's quite an exclusive island. It's got a distinctive French flavour, beautiful beaches, gourmet dining, and shops that kind of basically are dedicated to France. It's like a little piece of France stuck in the middle of the Caribbean. It's great. You can go through to the amazing place where basically it's a really good venue called Les Select, and this is where a very famous guy, a singer called Jimmy Buffett, wrote his song Cheeseburger in Paradise. Some of you may be familiar with him. Go out to Shell Beach as well, beautiful 15-minute walk from a town, and it's a really, really gorgeous beach just to go and relax on.
And then Antigua, beautiful.
Antigua, St John's, yeah, one of the Leeward Isles. A different beach every day of the year. It's true, I've explored most of them. They're stunning. Runaway Beach is good if you like your water sports, you like kind of big chains. If you want somewhere completely deserted, Dartwood Beach, use the local buses. They're about $1 a time to take you all the way around. And just really, really, really beautiful island.
Or book a free excursion.
Book a free excursion, exactly.
And
Stingray City as well, Sean. Stingray City, I've been to Stingray City. In fact, you're going to see a photo. You're going to see a photo coming up of me in Stingray City when I was here, holding a stingray, and that's what you can do. You can feed them. You feed them with some calamari. And then you get to hold them. Well, you don't have to hold them, but I love animals anyway. And
what a great picture, Keith.
Yeah, it's a wonderful thing. So
you look quite in shape there as well, don't you?
I look quite in shape there. This is great. Well, the stingray's hiding my belly. That's what it is. Thanks, mate. Yeah.
Now, where next, Keith?
Then we're going to Castries, which is St Lucia. This is incredible. The pitons dominate here. You can see them here, known as the Breast of St Lucia, 2,000 foot high. And their slopes are basically full of dense green rainforest. And then you've got banana plantations and syrup-coloured beaches and the best coral reefs in the whole of the Caribbean. If you're a scuba diver, you'll love this place. Go for a bargain in Castries Market or go through to the world's only drive-through volcano, Sulphur Springs.
This is so good, isn't it? And one final destination.
Philipsburg, St Martin. 2 flags all over this tiny island. You've got part French, part Dutch. The French side, Manigot, is fantastic for great little cheap shopping boutiques and really good food, bistros. You can give your credit card a workout in the Dutch side where you dock, which is Philipsburg. My favourite thing to do here, rent a car, rent a bike and go around the island. Stunning place.
And then a couple of final days at sea and back to Miami where you disembark and you're flown over to the UK. What I am going to say is the price is amazing on this one tonight, and even if you just want to get more information, it's a free phone number. Obviously, there are not many places available on this. Only one date, 21st of March. And at 2699, look at this. You've got regional flights as well, but you even get $400 on board spend. Now, in reality, the only place you're going to be able to spend that is the spa or in the shops, because everything else is included, isn't it?
Absolutely, yeah. So, you know, you really do leave your wallet at home. This is a wonderful chance for you to... What you see there is what you pay, and everything else is thrown in.
So, just quickly, I know we're nearly out of time, but 36 free shore excursions to choose from, free unlimited drinks, free prepaid gratuities, free specialty restaurants, free mini bar, and if you go for Penthouse, a free butler as well. Absolutely outstanding. Please give us a call for that one, even if you've just got questions. I've never seen such a fabulous price for a 6-star cruise and so much included.